Okay, I wanted to make a quick video on this XV80. I was having trouble. My blower fan wasn't coming on, causing my outdoor system to freeze. And I wasn't able to find much information about this unit online. Now, I'm not an AC guy. I just was trying to fix it myself because it just happened to go out Friday night of Memorial Day weekend, which is just fantastic. And I was watching videos trying to diagnose the board, which I couldn't find any videos about this board specifically. So I was looking at older models and people were talking about trying the high or the low setting. But what I learned is that these XV80s have a variable speed motor, which means the board basically just sends power to the motor's ECM, which I've already disconnected, and then that controls the speed of the variable motor. Now, I took the board apart. Everything looked fine on the back, and some people on Reddit were able to tell me to look for a resistor in the ECM that's likely blown. So first, I just wanted to make sure that power was actually getting from the board to the motor. So I hooked my multimeter up to the ECM connection, which plugs in right here. And I've got my unit, the fan turned on. So when I hit the door switch, I can see that I am actually getting 120 volts sent to the motor. So that is what made me think that the module was bad. I was getting ready to buy one of these on Amazon. It was going to be about 380 bucks. It was going to take about a week to get here, but thankfully the people on Reddit were able to tell me to check this resistor right here. I've actually already replaced it, so this is the new one, but you can see that there was some burning there, so something happened. Lightning may have gotten it, I'm not sure. This is the old one here. You can see that it's blown. But I was able to get new ones. I got 2 of them shipped Amazon Prime next day for $9 instead of $3.80. So hopefully this works. Now I'm not an electrician, but I was able to get my soldering iron and, well, I was able to get the old one loosened up and I pulled it out. Now there was some resin on this connector here, but I was able to get it to loosen up pretty easily. And I put the new one in, and now I'm gonna screw everything back together, hook it back up to the motor, which it's kind of a tight fit. It hooks up right there. My unit is kind of laid on its side, so I wasn't easily able to pull this panel off, which is what I've seen on other videos with other units. But I was able to unscrew this. It's just 2 screws on the bottom, and then it just kind of slides right out. So yeah, hopefully if you're having a similar problem with the XV80 or the XC80, I believe, both use this variable speed motor. So hopefully that's an easy fix for you. Thanks.